All right, first of all, thanks for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I'll tell you what, if you're looking at a home-based business, a business online, something you can work on your cell phone or your home computer, I think LiveGood is something you want to look at. Okay, now if you're already in LiveGood and you subscribe to my channel, you know that I do, about 5 videos a day just regarding LiveGood. Okay, and a little bit about how I became a part of this little family. I was buying their products, Super Reds and Super Greens. I was buying a product called Super Beets. And you guys, it's probably sold $1 billion worth of product. And it's a little jar. And, it's okay. It's pretty good. It's about 50, 60 bucks realistically by the time it's in your hand, delivered, at your door. And I ran into a product called Super Reds. Containers 2-3 times bigger, better ingredients in my opinion, 1/3 the price, and it's organic where Super Beets is not. So I'm like, why am I buying Super Reds, Super Beets? Well, I'm buying Super Reds because it's a better deal and it's just cheaper and 3 times larger. Okay, come on now. All right, it's a no-brainer. So I like buying the products. And then I had a buddy, about February, March of 2023, asked me if I've heard of LiveGood. And I said, yeah, God, definitely. I'm buying Super Reds and Super Greens and amino acid, this fruit punch that I still have over here off camera. So he's like, yeah, you got to look into it. It's going places. And I'm like, what do you mean? Well, as an affiliate, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, oh, man, this is an MLM. Is it New Skin? Is it Amway? Oh my God, Mary Kay, Tupperware, Avon, I'm like, I'm not doing this. Okay, I'm not an affiliate guy. I'm just not MLM, network marketing. It's all kind of in the same category, according to me. And I'm not going to do it. But I will buy the products. So I was just buying the Super Reds and the Super Greens, just like going to Amazon.com or Walmart.com. Okay, just retail price, and which is still awesome and affordable and way cheaper than Super Beets. So I became a member, and that's where you pay $9.95 a month. Basically $10 a month. But when I looked at the wholesale pricing about the products I'm buying every 30 days, retail versus wholesale, I'm like, well, I'm going to be a member for $10 a month so I can save about 30 to 40. Okay, it's just being smart. And I still was not going to be an affiliate where you can do what I'm doing now. Talk about the products, talk about the opportunity, invite people to click to watch a little video. I'm done. There's nothing left for me to do. Okay, so $40, I don't have to buy products ever. Not like a traditional MLM, like a Tupperware, an Amway, any type of structured MLM requires you to buy products each month. They're jacked up high. You can't sell them on Amazon or on a video like I'm doing now. You got to pretend to kind of sell it. But who's going to buy a product for like $20 when it's worth $8? Okay. I mean, a lot of people believe in that structure of income, and I don't. That's why I'm not Mr. Network Marketing affiliate guy with a big list. And I've got all these diamond rankings from companies clear back from, Amway came into our lives in the 30s, I read. I know MLM from the 60s to the 70s going into the Avon and the home interior. Then I heard of Mary Kay. I think I saw a pink Cadillac or something. And then I grew up with the owners and the founders of New Skin here in Utah. They've done 10s, 20s, probably $100 million, or billion, with a B. And I still am not an MLMer with New Skin. I know a lot of people that do it. Okay, it's just not me. But I'll become an affiliate March of 2023. So about a year and a half ago. My 2-year anniversary will be in about 3 months. So I can say happy birthday. I've been a LiveGooder affiliate for 2 years. The company just barely turned 2 years old. Okay, December 13th of 2024. And right now it's January 6th. So a couple weeks ago, happy birthday to LiveGood. Okay, in 2 years, the company has 1.7 million maniacs like myself, members and affiliates, doing about $15-16 million a month of wholesale, product all over the world, over 200 countries. That's insane. We have distribution centers going up over by UK, Philippines, Asia basically, Africa. Okay, because when you're a worldwide business like LiveGood, it's nice to have distribution centers closer to where you might live if you don't live here in America. That way the products come cheaper and faster, obviously. Okay, so here I am now, January 6th. I'm number 27 on the leaderboard out of 1.7 million people. And all I do is keep things simple. I invite people to click a link. They watch a little video, and then they're either in or out. And I'm not on the phone with them. I'm not in the living room or going like this. Do you want to join? I'm desperate. Do you want to join? Okay, you don't have to do that with LiveGood. Just the products themselves are the attraction. It's a juicy piece of steak, okay? You don't need to fake to make or really amp up the opportunity. Just let people go to the website, watch the video, check out the products, look at the products, how much they cost, okay? And I'll just show you real quickly, okay? Because I like my videos to be about 10 minutes. So if you have a couple more minutes, let me just show you what I am going to do. Okay, there is the best thing, joincory.com. I bought it for about 10, 11 bucks at GoDaddy, and then for free, they forward it to the page you're going to see, and I'll show you that too. But joincory.com, that's the first thing I want you to do. Okay, this is the LiveGood website. This is the products page. Just look at all our products. Click the white little rectangle box that says Learn More. You're going to see the wholesale, retail, the ingredients, how to use the products. We use the United States Post Office to do all of our shipping here in America, okay? Straight cost, whatever it costs from the post office. LiveGood does not profit off the shipping or handling, okay? That's nice to know. And if you're outside of America, we use DHL International. Look at all these products. Look, even shirts and hats and some new hoodies and beanies. Okay, the second thing I want you to do besides look at the products, go to the website and check out the FAQ because you're going to have a bunch of questions. And I want you to have a bunch of questions and I want them answered. Okay, I'll help you as much as I can with the answers, but probably 80-90% of your questions, just right here, guys. FAQ, see? And then go to the very bottom of your cell phone or website. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Go ahead and click it and you'll see how we get 7 commissions on the membership side. Okay, because we focus on being a wholesale company. So we don't profit. We don't commission our products. We want them rock bottom so you can buy them and sell them at a gym, sell them out of the back of your car trunk, sell them on Amazon, or just buy the products rock bottom pricing and put them in your guts. Now go to the bottom of the pay plan link and watch this YouTube video. Okay, say hello to this pretty girl. Just watch this video a couple times. That way you know exactly why those 7 pay little days, they really add up on the membership side, okay? And if anyone ever asks you about the pay plan, please do what I do. Invite him to go to the website and go to the FAQ. Go to the affiliate pay plan link. And definitely you want to see the products. Because I don't want you to be embarrassed about LiveGood. Like I'm not going to do the Tupperware. No offense to Avon or Mary Kay or any of those companies. They've done billions, I think, with a B. But I'm not an MLM guy. I'm not embarrassed with LiveGood at all. These products are the best. They are extremely affordable because we're a wholesale company. All right, I'd recommend the protein. Coffee too. I call it the orgasmic coffee. I love coffee, that's why. Okay, and then, remember I was telling you about Super Reds and Super Greens? Right there on your screen. Okay, check them out. And remember this, any product that I've been talking about, guess what? Guess what? You have 3 months. Can you see my 3 little fingies? Guys, you have 3 frickin' months to use the products and get your money back, 90 days. So let's say you order Super Reds because of my recommendation. Get them in the mail, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 days, whenever they come. Get out your little date thing called a clock or get out your cell phone and just set it for about 80-something days. Okay? And boy, on that 80th day, if you forget you even bought the Super Reds and you just start drinking the Super Reds, seeing if you have benefits, or if you just have the container and you forget and you just pour the container all the way empty into a Tupperware bowl, let's say. Go ahead within 90 days. So like on the 85th day, ship the empty Super Reds container back to Jupiter, Florida, the distribution center. And guess what, guys? Ben, our CEO, says, hey, you know what? Full refund. I want you happy with our product. What other company does that? 3 months. No questions are asked on the guarantee. Even on the shirts, hats, whatever you buy. Okay? We are a membership-based website, guys. We sign up a couple thousand people per day about 60,000 a month right now. And guys, we're 2 years old and we're still doing this volume. It's going to go like this for years and years and years. If you're going to join an opportunity where you want to make money online, you join now. Okay? There's not a company online that is signing up 2,500 people a day on average. We do more of that sometimes on Friday, okay? Because our Thursday, Friday, for some reason, the weekend's coming and people get excited. There's tons of training. You get your own website. You get a capture page, which you will see. All you got to do, and if you don't mind, I just want to show you my little business card again. And I'll show you where I went to Vistaprint and I got these cards made for 25 bucks. I got the domain from GoDaddy for, let's see, I paid about 11 bucks out the door. And my work is done. I post, I email, I tell you on a video to go to that link right there on your screen, joincory.com. Done. Because LiveGood has customer service. They have the reps. They have shipping, handling, tracking. Everything is already done, guys. There's really not anything more for me to do than feel guilty. Because when I get paid every Thursday, I'm just like, God, I can't believe I get paid to do this. All right. I want you to have the same benefits and the same experience I'm getting right now. Okay. All right. Disclaimer. I don't know how much you can make. You can make a penny. You can make 1,000,001 pennies. But I'll tell you what, if you keep it nice and fun and simple and just invite people to click a link and let all the videos do all the recruiting and training. Okay. Deal. All right, guys. Thanks again. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe. And if you find me on Facebook, inbox me anytime, guys. I'm not shy. Okay, thanks. I'll talk to you guys next video. Take care. Bye.